Hey, my friends, this is Loli. Welcome to Loli's Creations. Let's jump in right into the first inspiration. I will be using 3 of these candle holders that I found from Dollar Tree, along with these 2 paints from Folk Art. It is a gold color and a rose gold color. Then I'm taking this dried baby wipe and I'm using it to apply both of these colors, just rubbing it on all the surfaces to give it a marble effect and give it a so it would look more like a metal candle holder more than ceramic. Friends, I want to take a quick moment to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, be sure to click that like button and subscribe. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. To my already subscriber guys, you guys are the world to me. Thank you so much for all your support. I won't be here today if it wasn't for you. I truly appreciate you. All right, my friends, as you see here, I'm just going back and forth between the gold and the rose gold, layering them until pretty much my eyes are happy with what this is looking like, and it's looking more and more like, some brushed metal. Once the candle holder is dried, I'm going to take some of these tea light candles from Dollar Tree and place them on top of each one of them. And I found these gorgeous glass pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and the base is hollow. It just has a little piece of felt at the bottom, so I'm removing that and making sure that I remove all the extra paper that it has there. And then we are going to put this right over the candle holder, and we have a pumpkin candle holder thingamajigga. I used 3 of them, 3 different colors that they had, and these are beautiful. So cute. I love these. Let me know what you think. So my friends, today's video is part of an open invite collaboration that is hosted monthly by Kate from So Kate, and her guest host this month is Kiki from Kiki's DIYs. There are links to their channels and to their playlists that will be linked in the description box below, and I will also pin it in the comments. Don't forget to stop on by to their channels and to their playlist and show everyone some love. Thank you, my friends, and here we go with the next inspiration. I found one of these Cornucopia horn things from my local thrift shop. I got it for $1, and I'm going to use some of this folk art paint and these little spray bottles from Dollar Tree. The first thing that I did was add some of that paint onto the bottle, and it was so thick, and then I realized, oh, I'm using the wrong paint. This is expensive stuff. I keep on hand Dollar Tree paints like these to do stains with, so I added that one instead. I added a generous amount of that on there, which is also a little bit runny, and added some water and made a mess as you see there. And then I repositioned my cover, and I'm going to shake it off and I'm shake it up, and I'm going to create a stain for this little horn. So what I did was just spray it all around, and this, pretty much it worked as spray paint. It went into all the nooks and crannies of the basket, and it was a lot easier to get it stained. And I was looking for a stain that was darker, so this gave me the perfect effect that I was looking for. And this is the color that I achieved once it was all dry. And actually I'm drying it with my heat gun because already I'm missing patience, so I did that. And then we are going to go ahead and arrange it. So I'm going to take some of these sunflowers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to spread them out really nicely so they will be in different sections of this horn. And I'm going to come in with other embellishments. Once I figured out exactly what the placement is here, I wanted to spread them out, making sure that I had a flower in every little corner of the cornucopia. Then I came in with this pumpkin pick from Dollar Tree, added it right on there. And I'm like, you know what, I want a variety of colors and textures on here. So I took this Dollar Tree pumpkin and we're going to add it on there also. But look, it didn't want to stay. It just kept trying to run away, guys. I was so frustrated, but I started laughing. All right, so then I'm coming back in with this second time with this pumpkin again. I'm placing it right back in the way I want it. Trying to have the petals of the flowers be nice and up. Again, guys, it happened like 3 times. What I wanted to do originally was put a skewer through that pumpkin so I can push it in like I did with the other one, but I couldn't find my skewers. So that pig that I just added, that came from Walmart. I got it for 98 cents. And then the other one came from Dollar Tree as well. And that is it. We will see it again in the final review. For our next inspiration today, we will be using this turkey form that I got from Dollar Tree, a wooden turkey. And we remove that hanger, and we are going to take some truffle paint from Waverly and do a messy coat with it. Then I took some of these burlap maple leaves from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using all 4 of those colors that you see there. And we are going to add into that, the tail of the turkey, as you will. I just removed all the pieces of wire off the flowers, and we are going to put them towards the back. Here I'm seeing exactly what length I wanted, how big I want it to be, just making sure that I'm happy with the placement before I glue anything down. And here I'm trying to alternate between the colors to have a nice symmetry. Friends, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. And I hope you will consider subscribing as well. And if you do, hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. And make sure to set it to all so you get all of my notifications. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. Alright, my friends, as you see here, I just arranged the leaves on their different colors, trying to alternate them as best as I could so they would look nice and symmetrical. And once I had the first row done, I'm going to go ahead and glue these together because this are going to be the guide to the rest of the ones I will add. So I just added hot glue in the areas in which both of the leaves touched and press it down, being very careful not to burn myself. Here I recommend that you use some finger protectors or a little silicone spatula to do this part. My hands no longer have feelings, but I don't want you to burn yourself really bad. So here I had everything, I like the way that it fit on there. So we are going to go ahead and glue this to the board as well. I just added hot glue on the back of the board, as you see on the little hills and valleys, as you see right there. And I'm going to press it down right onto the leaves, making sure that I have that level that I wanted before. After that was said and done, I'm going to add more flowers to this. Again, alternating the flowers, making sure that I don't have, the same colors next to each other. So I have a nice array of these, and this looks nice and balanced. Once I was satisfied where each one of the leaves were, I'm coming in and adding hot glue in all the areas in which the bottom leaves and the top leaves meet to make this a nice, beautiful, and colorful bushy turkey tail. I am also reinforcing the back, also adding hot glue in those areas where they both unite to make sure that this is a nice and solid piece. Then I took this sign that comes from a packet of 6 at Dollar Tree that says "Give Thanks," and I added it using some hot glue and some wood glue. I'm just going to add it to the center of the tail. Okay, now it's time to give this turkey some personality. So I used this wine color from Anita's, and we are going to cover that nose thing. I don't know. What do you call that? The chin? What do you call that from the turkeys, guys? I'm always quizzing you on all these things, but I love to learn things too, so let me know. Anyway, I took one of these black paint pens that I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I painted in the eye. I'm letting it dry, and now I'm coming in with a piece of jute cord. I tied both ends with a knot, and I'm going to use some hot glue to attach this to the back so I'm able to hang up my pretty little turkey. The eye was kind of dull, so I added some more of that paint pen to it. And then I'm going to come in with white paint pen as well from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put white around it and one little dot inside of the black to make it a little eyeball. And look how cute that is. I love my little turkey, guys. Let me know what you think, and here we go with the final reveal. Don't forget to let me know which one of these is your favorite. Let me know what you think of each one of these and which one is your favorite. I'm always curious to know that. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. And if you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you're welcome to binge away with this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You are amazing. Bye.